Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best oil extractor available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, EWK Oil Extractor. The dual-mode oil extractor delivers a practical balance of portability and efficiency, allowing users to switch between manual operation for on-the-go maintenance and pneumatic mode for faster, workshop-style oil changes. Its strong suction rate helps remove engine oil quickly, while the extended extraction tubes reach deep into reservoirs to minimize leftover residue, supporting cleaner engine performance. Beyond engine oil, its compatibility with transmission fluid, coolant, and power steering fluid makes it a versatile maintenance tool for cars, motorcycles, boats, jet skis, and lawn equipment. The precision-sealed tank and durable tubing inspire confidence for long-term use, making it suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics. Although it is not compatible with Mercedes W212 E350 or C218 CLS 350 models and should never be used with gasoline or other highly volatile fluids, it remains a dependable, time-saving solution for routine vehicle servicing. Next up, we have 4 Uncle's Oil Extractor. This oil extractor pump is thoughtfully designed for clean, efficient, and precise fluid transfer, especially in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. Its extendable tubing, reaching up to 23 inches with the included extension hose, provides excellent flexibility, while the protective tube caps help prevent messy spills during storage and transport. The double-sealed rubber ring system and precision-threaded connections create a reliable, leak-resistant seal that inspires confidence during every use. The quick connect locking buckle makes attaching and removing the tubing fast and effortless, and the included spare buckle adds extra long-term value. With a transparent 200 cubic centimeters body marked in both cc and quarts, users can accurately monitor fluid levels for controlled extraction and refilling. Suitable for a wide range of automotive and mechanical maintenance tasks, this extractor combines durability, convenience, and precision, making it an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals seeking a dependable fluid transfer solution. Coming in at number 3, Ficio Oil Extractor. This oil extractor pump offers a convenient and efficient alternative to traditional oil changes, eliminating the need to crawl under your vehicle while delivering clean, hassle-free fluid extraction through the dipstick tube. Powered by a pure copper motor, it provides stable suction and reliable performance, especially when the engine is warmed up beforehand for improved oil flow. Its versatility extends beyond cars, making it suitable for lawnmowers, pressure washers, boats, and jet skis, making it a valuable addition to any garage or workshop. The manufacturer's quality control process, including individual performance testing before shipment, demonstrates attention to reliability, and the slight oil residue that may be present is simply a result of this testing rather than previous use. For best results, using a filter when extracting contaminated oil helps protect the pump and maintain performance. Overall, it is a dependable, user-friendly tool that saves time, reduces mess, and simplifies routine maintenance. Now at number 4, Duratec Oil Extractor. This fluid extractor pump stands out for its combination of versatility, thoughtful design, and dependable performance, making routine maintenance cleaner and more efficient. Its 3-piece extension system stretches up to 50.4 inches, allowing easy access to deep or awkward reservoirs that are typically difficult to reach. The double seal construction, featuring dual rubber sealing rings and precision-threaded connections, creates a strong airtight seal that delivers consistent suction while effectively preventing leaks. Built from durable PP material, the extractor feels sturdy enough for repeated use, while the self-locking copper connector keeps the tubing securely in place throughout operation. The transparent body with clearly marked measurement scales enables precise monitoring of fluid levels, reducing the risk of overfilling or incomplete extraction. With compatibility across transmission fluid, coolant, brake fluid, gear oil, power steering fluid, and engine oil for cars, trucks, boats, RVs, lawnmowers, and golf carts, it offers exceptional value for both DIY users and professional mechanics. And finally, our last pick, Vever Oil Extractor. This 9.5-liter fluid extractor is a well-designed maintenance tool that combines versatility, durability, and ease of use for both DIY mechanics and professional workshops. It's airtight, no-drip construction, featuring a one-piece tank, precision O-rings, and sealed fittings, effectively minimizes leaks and keeps the workspace clean throughout the extraction process. The ability to switch between manual vacuum operation and pneumatic mode provides excellent flexibility, allowing quick portable use or faster performance when connected to an air compressor. The comprehensive hose kit, including multiple extension tubes and a dedicated brake fluid hose, makes it easy to reach deep reservoirs and perform a variety of maintenance tasks with precision. Compatible with engine oil, transmission fluid, coolant, and brake fluid across cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and lawn equipment, it eliminates the need for multiple specialized tools. The corrosion-resistant semi-transparent PE tank also allows convenient fluid level monitoring, making this extractor a dependable and practical long-term investment. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.